Hey, how are you doing? All right now, so I welcome you to the Excel course, and I promise you it's going to be a wonderful time. I believe you've gone through the initial section that has to do with the theories, and those theories are quite like a foundation. And then so upon that foundation, we're going to be diving now into the Microsoft Excel, which is the first tool we'll be learning as regards spreadsheets on our way to becoming a data analyst. So I'm sure you're as excited as I am to begin with this course. All right, now, so the first thing we are going to be doing is, getting the Microsoft Excel. So getting the Microsoft Excel, I was going to show us, how to navigate, but then I think I should just make a brief, illustration or example of how to get the Microsoft Excel. So I'll go to my browser now from your Google Chrome or whatever browser you use. Okay, so Microsoft.com is what you would just search, Microsoft.com, and depending on your location, so just go on your browser and visit Microsoft.com, and it will take you to this page. Now, what we are concerned about specifically is Microsoft 365. So I'm going to click on Microsoft 365 so you can just as well, follow as I do. So click on Microsoft 365, it will take you to a page where you are going to select the exact, products you need. And I'm scrolling down, let's see, it's still loading. Okay, Microsoft 365, personal and family. That is basically what we need. We need the Microsoft 365 for family. So I'm going to just click on, let's just pick on one. Microsoft 365 is, so see price and see plans and price, and let's check that out right now. So you can, so the thing is, you can actually, you can use Microsoft Online. There's, the online version whereby you can just do everything you want to do online. And I guess to some extent, there might just be some limitation. There might be some things that you will not be able to do. So it's best to always have it installed, and and it comes with a subscription. So this particular one now, well, for a new person like you have the privilege of trying it for free. So basically, we're trying to buy Microsoft 365. We have various packages. This is like a yearly plan. So eventually you want to pay monthly, let's switch to monthly. This Microsoft 365 family, it's like $13 per month, depending on what country you are. I'm in Nigeria, so it's reading in dollars. If you're probably in UK, it might actually show in pounds. So you have the one for family. This one you can actually share with 5 people. That is, 6 people can actually come together and get this plan. It's quite wonderful, I guess. 6 people can come together and get this plan. So it's $13 per month. And then you can just do the one that for you yourself alone, and that is $10 per month. Still little difference. I think this actually pays more. Especially if you have colleagues or friends that are also on board this training with you, like it makes it cheaper for everyone. Probably 2-3 persons just put a token together, and then 6 people can actually use this every month. So you you want to share with anyone, you are just on your own, it's fine. You can just always get the personal plan for yourself, and that is $10 per month. So the good thing about this family plan is you can, like I said, if you're a first timer, you can actually, all right, I don't want to chat, thank you. If you're a first timer, you can actually get to do a 1 month free, try free for 1 month. So just click on 1 month free, and then you click on the start your free trial. Because I'm not the first timer, it might be impossible for me to do, but I'm sure if you're a first timer rather, trying to get this, you should be able to get you with it. So just follow the steps. Sign in. Next, you probably should have already signed in with your Microsoft account, and click here to save the passkey. Android device, maybe. Okay, I think I clicked something wrongly. All right, couldn't create a passkey. Well, like I said, let me see, security key. setting up your key. So in your case, just follow through. I'm not going to go through these processes because at the end of the day, I can't even do the plan because I'm not the first time, right? So in your case, just follow through, and then you get to the point whereby, okay, let me see if I can skip this for now. So you get to the point where you get to provide your details and all of that, and once you do that, you will get the message here. Can you see that for me, my account isn't eligible to start a trial because I'm not a first timer, right? This is my account here, sign in. I'm currently on a family subscription. So you just have to follow through. Once you follow through, you get it, and then still on that same page, you would just play around it. Let me see if I can check. Let me check out something. My Microsoft account. Let me check out my Microsoft account. So after installing, you get to go to the something that looks like the settings and all of that. Let me see if I can just find it. My Microsoft account. So when you get to this particular page, hopefully this page I'm trying to show you, you just scroll down, you see a section that says download all apps. So there are like 6 apps like that, which includes Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel. Now don't get it wrong, you might actually, there's tendency that you probably might have it, for instance, if I search for Excel from my local machine, you can see that this is the one, especially when this is the one when you get a laptop. This is the one in our part of the world, in our country, they get to help you to install on it, like a free app version. You can actually try learn some things with it, but it's limited. Also, there are some things that you can't do. So it is best when you have the proper subscription. So having the proper subscription, there are more things that you can do. And for a course like this, where you are going professional, you definitely need a professional package, because you need everything in it. So in my account, all right, now, so once you subscribe, you try to locate your account just the way I did, and then you scroll down somewhere. There's this place where they say download all. Let me see, I might not see it here because I've already downloaded it. But just check each of these options. You find it where you can download all apps. There are like 6 apps there, which includes Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and a few others like that. Installing them, it might take some time. It might take, sometimes that kind of takes like, 1 hour. I don't know. But just ensure that you install everything. It's quite easy to navigate through. I would have loved to do that, but I can't do that because I'm not a first timer. But I'm sure it's something you find easy to do. So after doing that, then you can now, and if you are going for the 1 month free subscription, remember the date. Anyway, they will definitely will send you a date. So remember the dates. The dates that you subscribe. Ensure that you unsubscribe. So you need to come here. You need to come back to your account. In fact, once you subscribe successfully to the free plan, you can cancel the subscription immediately. Canceling the subscription immediately will not affect your 1 month free. Once you already subscribed for free for 1 month, you come back here, cancel the subscription. Once you cancel the subscription, because if you don't cancel the subscription after 1 month, because while creating the account, they are going to ask for your card, bank card details. So after the 1 month free trial is done, they are going to automatically debit you, and you might not want that. So you probably might not want that for that period, or you might want the personal plan. So just once you see that you've gotten the free 1 month trial, instantly just go to subscription and cancel subscription. Cancel subscription, and once you've done that, you can use it for the 1 month free. So once you're done 1 month free, you can now renew your subscription by paying for either the personal plan or paying for the family plan, whichever suits you. So assuming that I haven't done that in the next I haven't installed everything, you can now search for Excel, and now you can see that I have the local one that was installed by by people around using the flash drive or something, and this is the one. You can see that there's a difference. This is the one. This is like an app, a web app. So having done that, we are going to click on that, and then clicking on that, we would continue with that in the next video. Thank you. See you in the next video.